Alrighty, this is the FS525, as y'all know. This is a 2-inch threaded ends. It can also be socket welded, of course. And what I'm going to show is the function of the 3-piece body and how it would actually work in line when in the field. And I went ahead and pre-loosened these bolts, so I'm not straining myself on camera in front of y'all. But what I'm going to do is take 3 of the 4 body bolts out and then show you how you could swing out the mid-body and change out the insides of it if needed. Now, say for instance, if this valve was in line and these were welded ends and they were welded to the pipe, you can't really just unbuckle the pipe. So if you had seat failure or ball failure, what you can do while these are still in place, this will swing right out.
Oh.
And from there, you can actually pop out the ball and the seat inserts. I need to close this first.
So how would one know not to take out this one to do that?
Really, whichever one you leave in there, that's going to be the pivot.
Okay.
And so there, just closed the ball.
And those are Teflon seats?
PTFE, yes, Teflon. There's one seat. And the ball. And the other seat. And those would all be able to be changed while the valve is still hooked up in the line on these 2 ends. And then you could switch it out for new ones, as well as the stem. You could take off this nut here.
This is fun.
This one's got a stem lock nut on it. Makes it a little more difficult to take off. There we go. We'll get back to that. But the stem, as you can see, would go in through the mid-body right there and would go up into the stem area through the body of the valve, which, as I'll get to on a later video with trunnion ball valves, it's the opposite. The stem goes down from the top instead of from the inside. And then, yeah, you could then replace all the material inside. Gotta line the ball up with the stem properly. And then just put the seats right back in. Swing it back into place. And then bolt it back up and you're good to go.
And it's a 3-piece body, right?
Yes, 3-piece. That is not possible with a 2-piece body, because it doesn't have the 3rd piece to swing out. That's one of the plus sides of ordering this valve, is that it has multiple functions like that, making it more versatile than the normal 2-piece floater. And that's about it.
Thank you, Potter. That was very informative.
You're welcome.
I feel like we'd learn a lot more about products if we did this all the time.
Because now I can actually
Say, you know, what the seat inserts look like. And
like another factor about our FS525 is you can actually swivel the middle piece to change out your seat.